Morning parents and kids, welcome to Sai Kids virtual classes. Today is our English class and we'll learn I sound words. Previously we had completed E sound words and today we are going to complete I sound words. So the sound that I makes is E. So some of the I sound words are pig, P-I-G, lid, L-I-D, bin, B-I-N. So now let's write some I sound words in our. So kids, let's start by writing the I sound words. Starting with tin, T-I-N. First let's do the picture. A rough drawing. T-I-N, tin. Then bin. Parents, do this drawing for your kids. It will be easier for them to learn by seeing the pictures with the words. B-I-N, bin. Then pin. P-I-N. Write all these words, repeat them till the end of the page, and while writing the words, pronounce them loudly and learn the spellings of these words. The next word is pig. P-I-G, pig. Then we have fig. Fig is a fruit. F-I-G. So repeat these words also to the end of the page and learn the spellings. Now coming to the other words, that is lead. L-I-D, lead. Then the last word is bib. B-I-B, bib. Continue writing these words till the end of the page. So kids, these were all the I sound words. Practice them as many times as you can and learn the words. Now kids, coming to your homework, open your My Book of Cursive Writing. We had completed A and B. Today we shall do C. C for cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Cat. C-A-T, cat. Car, C-A-R, car. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Now let's write. First, join the dotted lines and it will give you a C. Join all the dotted lines that are given and then fill up the blank spaces. Like so. Also complete this page, that is page number 6 and page number 7 from this book. Now open your Fun with Writing Small Letters book. We had also completed A and B here, alphabet A and B. We'll today write C. C for car, C-A-R. So here join the dotted lines as well. First do that and then fill up the blank spaces. Like so. And complete both these pages, that is page number 6 and page number 7. Lastly, open your Essential English Reader Pre-Primer and go to page number 7. Here we have C for cat, C-A-T, cat. C for car, C-A-R, car. C for cow, C-O-W, cow. Now join the dotted lines. Like so. That is the. Then join the small alphabets. Complete this page. So parents and kids, that was it for today's English class. Hope you will complete all the tasks that I have given and practice them as much as you can. So thank you.